What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. You know, it's another beautiful day, man. Another beautiful day out here. And we got old R&B out this morning. So I was thinking about it. I said, man, I'm gonna go drop this thing off to Jesse, man. Let's get Jesse to drive this one too. Why not? Why not, man? He done drove one big wheel car, man. Let's get him to drive this one too. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and when I get back, man, I'm gonna go ahead and take these back wheels off and go ahead and put the new drums on, cause I got new brake drums, man. I'm trying to get this thing ready for that car show, and we're gonna talk about stuff too. And I'm gonna see when we can get this thing, get the cam swapped out, man. I got to go ahead and get the cam swapped out, man. I got to get the cam swapped out. Then I'm gonna get the front brake stuff and all that. But like I said, we're gonna clean y'all off. We're gonna drop this thing off with Jesse, man. And I told him I want him to do a video on his channel driving this one. See what kind of reaction he get, man. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna check back in. Alright, y'all. So checking in, man. Got the thing over here lawless. Then go ahead and holler at Jesse, man, see what he got going on. Cause I think there'll be a little lit video for him, man. Y'all need to y'all make sure y'all go over there and subscribe and all that. But yeah, I'm finna see here. I know he's gonna hop in this thing, man, much slower, but I want him to do a review of his own work, man. See how it ride, cause this thing rides so smooth and all that, man. So, like I said, we're gonna hop in and see if he's down for it and all that, y'all. Then we get back, I'm gonna holler at y'all too about the little situation. Y'all know they tried to sabotage me and stuff, man. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, just talk to him. Hey, he said he down, so he finna take off, man. He finna take off in R&B. I'm gonna stay here, but he recording, man. He recording my video, so y'all gonna have to check that out, man. Y'all gotta check that out. He in his regular attire today, man. He ain't in his hipster attire, man. He run DMC wear, so he in a regular attire today, man. But like I said, he just gonna I want him to review the car. This car rides so good, man. I want y'all to hear from somebody else. I'm pretty sure you're gonna say the same thing. This car ride like factory, man. Somebody asked me the other day, how the car ride? Man, she like factory? Like factory? They like the 14s on it. So yeah, man, he finna hop in this thing. And we were talking about the plan and stuff too. So yeah, man. And like I said, Jesse gonna be at the at the car show too. He gonna have two cars, man. We're gonna be lined up side each other and all that. So I'm telling you, man, y'all come out March 12th, Monroe, Georgia. Y'all come out and meet and greet, all of that, man. Just enjoy yourself. And then, like I said, I'm gonna holler at y'all, man, when I get back to the house about the folk that tried to sabotage me, man. Investigation on the way. JMalcom investigation on the way. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. So look, once again, here we go.
We're gonna go drive it. We're gonna take off in it.
Yeah, man. I want to see his video, man. He finna take off, so I guess I recording and taking off. But man, I want to see his video, see what he got to say and all that. But like I said, y'all check it out, cause he got some more stuff planned and all that. But man, he gonna take off, man. I'm finna chill out. Y'all just stay tuned. Boy, it's smelling good out here. Smelling like a grape out here, y'all. Alright, y'all, look. Man, one of Jesse guys out here with me. So with the camera, so I already know what finna happen. I know what finna happen, y'all. I already know what finna happen. So I'm finna stand right here and wait. I hear him up there. I hear him. What did y'all? I ain't even gonna say nothing. Yeah, they film what did. They ain't gonna say nothing, y'all. Yeah, I can hear him. I told y'all he was gonna spin, man. Alright, y'all, BCG fam, man, we back. We back at the house, man. I've been back. Went in there, handled some business, videos and stuff, man. It's still smelling like grapes out here. Y'all seen Jesse turn this thing loose, man. I knew he was gonna spend the time, man. I said Jesse about like but he can't help himself, man. I knew he was gonna spend the time. He ain't do too bad though. He ain't turned it up the way I would have turned it up. Y'all know I'll turn this thing loose. Let me see. But yeah, man, like I said, I can't wait to see his video or whatever on that. I can't wait to see it, man. At that point, he probably gonna drop. Jesse be dropping, boy. He be ready to drop. He probably gonna be done drop before me. So I'm pretty sure I've been done checked it out at that time or whatever. But yeah, man, it's pretty day and stuff. Hey, look. Hey, y'all, I was sitting right here leaning over John Jones. I was leaning over John Jones, man, looking at some videos stuff. I heard some rattling. Just, I was like, man, I know ain't nothing that guy in the garage, boy. Bird was going ham in the thing, man. I thought he was finna get caught in the car cover, boy. I said, boy, hey, I finna come in here, boy. I'm like, look, I'm gonna smoke him up out of here. I ain't playing on no bird, boy. I finna smoke him up out of here. But yeah, like I said, man, good little day. Like I said, I pull up on Jesse. It ain't too much shaking, man. We finna get back to the action. We finna get back to rolling, cause like I said, it feel good out here. It about 70-something degrees. I'm finna start getting back in the streets, man. Getting back in the street, rolling stuff. Oh yeah, let me tell y'all, speaking of that, let me tell y'all the situation. Let me tell y'all the update, cause it's been some days on that. But at this point, at this time, I ain't heard nothing. Of course, naturally, they ain't manned up, right? At this time. I don't know, this some days after that, the time you watching this, y'all might, or they might have, I don't know. So, what I'm doing, I'm on their tail, man. I just say that, y'all. I'm on their tail. I'm on their tail, man. No bluff. No cap. No cap at all. And all I can say, it's just good to know people who know people who know people. You know, I was taught, I wasn't taught, you know, I picked it up myself, but you got a strong network and you got the right network, man. If you got the right network, you should be able to make about 3 phone calls and get in contact with whoever you want to get in contact with. Like, what? Yeah, for real. Like, if you got the right network, you can make 3 phone calls. You should be able to get in contact with anybody you need to be in contact with. No matter if there's a mega star. It can be the biggest. You think about the biggest superstar you can think about right now. If your network's strong enough, you should be able to get in contact with somebody. 3 people. And also, you can find out stuff you need to find out. So all I can say, I'm on their tail, man. I'm gonna say I'm on their tail. That's all I'm gonna say. But you know, the whole situation, it crazy. I appreciate the outpour of support and stuff on the video. I mean, it was kind of crazy and idiotic at the same time, cause like, how you gonna just throw me an alley-oop like that, man? I mean, how you gonna throw me an alley-oop? I don't understand people, man. Every time somebody say something about me, they throw me an alley-oop. Because for one, they give me content. Y'all know I'm gonna go in on them. Naturally. I'm gonna go in on them. Like I did last year. I ain't letting up. I'm gonna keep stepping on their neck. I got to. Now, secondly, like I said, I don't get on here. Y'all know me. I don't get on here. I don't talk about nobody. I don't act no certain way. I don't try to act like I'm tough. I don't try to act gangster. But I am a man. I'm a real man, and you know, it's a respect thing. That's all I can say. It's a respect thing, and I mean, I don't bow down. That's the whole thing about it. I'm not getting on here. I'm not saying I would never do that. I don't get on here acting tough, but it like you gotta respect people. You got, and that goes for the name, and that goes for the brand too. That's why I don't got a lot of respect for a lot of these lanes out here. They think I don't be knowing, but you know, a lot of people, my name ring in the streets a lot. Good and bad. My name ring in the street, but the thing with the bad is they just capping. They just going bumping. They ain't got nothing to talk about, so they make up stuff. You know, but you can't, it's hard to dethrone a king, man. You can't dethrone a true king of kings, I say that. You can't. You just can't do it. So, at the end of the day, y'all, I show y'all everything. Like I said, I'm gonna be one of the realest on the internet all the time. I'm gonna show you the good, I'm gonna show you the bad. I could've, like that little situation, man, a lot of people would never showed y'all that. For real, a lot of people would never showed y'all that. Y'all would never knew. They would try to deal with it, this and that. Cause where it located, I mean, a lot of people wouldn't have never saw it. Nobody would have saw it. Probably ain't gonna see it by the time it disappear. But what I'm saying, a lot of people won't show y'all that. It's facts. Same thing with these cars. A lot of people won't show y'all the real with the cars, man. The ups and downs, the hiccups, when shit break, or your engine ain't running right, or this and this ain't happening. A lot of people won't show you that. Or dealing with the hate, a lot of people won't show you that. Or how to deal with it, you know what I'm saying? So, they just natural to me, man. It just come natural. I'm used to it. It ain't nothing to it. It ain't nothing to it at all, man. So just know, we on they ass. Y'all, I'm telling you, we on their ass. I mean, excuse kids watching, man, excuse me, this and that, but you know, you gonna hear it. Just teach them right from wrong, like my kid. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. I cuss around my kid. They know it. Daddy cuss, but they know not to say it, man. Y'all see my girls, Shell and Tina, they super respectful. But if somebody come to school with them, I give them the green light. Hey, if they say some bullshit to you, you say something to them, straight up. Cause you gonna hear it in life or whatever. So, you know, and but man, we got more to come, man. I talked to my fam CJ. So by now y'all should have seen Meech. Y'all know we got playing with Meech, at least with the wheels. So I'm gonna have them coming in soon. Man, it's just going down, man. It's just going down. I'm in that mode. I'm vlogging every day, whether it's action or something like this. When I'm making a little move, y'all can see. I ain't even tell y'all. Y'all know the Camaro back, man. John John back. I actually got y'all sitting on top of John John. John John back, man. Like Jess and them, they did it They did it the same day. They called me the same day I dropped it off, man. When I seen that vlog, and I was like, man, I just pick it up Monday, but I end up picking it up that day after. So John John back, got the Riley's back like it's supposed to, back cooling like it's supposed to, so it ready to go. I'm probably gonna take these wheels and tires off and put the front runners on and the radius, man, cause I'm ready to do some ride reaction, man. And look, all I can say, next week, I got some big collab coming. Next week, on tomorrow. I know I got one for sure. One for sure. I got some epic content coming for y'all. They coming to the house. So, y'all gonna wanna see that. I promise you. Y'all gonna tune in that week, but we're gonna be lit. So that's why I'm trying to get everything straight. It's just gonna be lit, man. It's just gonna be lit, man. So yeah, they're gonna wrap this video up, man. I'm finna probably put this thing up, man. It's been a pretty little day and all that, man. I'm ready to stick the camshaft in that thing, though. I am so ready to stick that camshaft in this thing here, cause I know what it's gonna do. It's gonna be a monster. When I stick that camshaft in here, y'all gonna be like, ain't no way that's that same engine. 350 cubic inches. I ain't boarding it over or nothing. 350 cubic inches. 400 horsepower. 400 rear wheel horsepower. 350. So, and I supposed to been taking them, putting them drones on in this vlog, man, but I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, man. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. So, yeah, I can't wait to put that cam in. When I put the cam in, I'm undecided. I need y'all help, okay? So, I got my mufflers in too. I meant to show y'all, man, the aluminum mufflers for Dolo. I meant to show y'all what they look like. You can't even buy. They custom. It's a custom made muffler. But should I slick don't wanna. This exhaust gonna be for sale. First of all, So I'm gonna put that out there. If somebody got a box Chevy, they want Dolo old exhaust, it's gonna be for sale. Hit me in the email, jmalcom2004@gmail.com. Now, if it doesn't sell promptly, should I take these Super 44s out and put them on R&B? Or should I keep the 50 series on there? Either way, the exhaust gonna have to be cut eventually. Cause I'm gonna keep the headers the same, but after I change that camshaft, I'm gonna end up buying new headers. Cause I'm gonna have to beef the headers up, man. Cause the engine gonna be a little hotter than what it is. So I'm gonna have to put bigger headers on it, which I already got my eyes on. So when I change the headers, I'm gonna change the exhaust too. I'm gonna go ahead and do the exhaust completely new. So let me know what y'all think. Should I keep the 50 series on there? Which y'all probably gonna say go with Super 44, but I'm gonna tell y'all now, it's gonna sound different because it's gonna have more pressure. And it make a difference. It's gonna sound different. When I put that camshaft in there, it's gonna sound different. So just think about that, man. Just think about that. What should I do? Look at wifey hair again, y'all. Look at her. You in the shade. You in the shade.
I'm in the shade.
You gotta go in the sun. Look, she keep the JMalcom merch on. Look at this hairstyle, boy. I love it. Look at the hairstyle. You don't know how to model. Look, y'all, ain't she beautiful? You are. You don't think so?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, exactly. Alright. But yeah, man. That it gonna sound different though, for real. Should I keep them 50 series mufflers on there? If y'all seen them, y'all saw them on the car. They real long. They flow master. It flow masters on here. I like it quiet. It ain't a lot of interior noise. So I don't know. Let me know, man. But yeah, they're gonna wrap it up for this vlog, man. Like I said, I appreciate y'all that watch every day, no matter what. And I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.